M&J FineShred 1550-3550, single shaft fine shredder from Mezzo Recycling. Ideal for RDF production. Now, a look at the features. M&J hydrostatic drive. User-friendly touchscreen. Easy to select program for your application. Suitable for loose material in RDF production. Preventing bridging, optimizing throughput. Multi-edge shaft geometry reduces heat generation. First and second cut. Large open area in screen ensures homogeneous output from 10 to 100 millimeters in high capacity. Now let's look at the service. Service access from both sides. Easy access for maintenance. Use the service access to easily access the knives. Find us online at www.mezzo.com/recycling.